Good morning, dear students. So, again, I'm here with the chapter explanation in the continuation of the last classes. We are going to start again. The next paragraph, why so? Today, Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. Sushila also has a baby of the same age. It was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta. So, in this paragraph, the concept which is given, if these two children, they are in the similar age and they both did the potty at the same time, so she is cleaning the potty of her own child in happy mood, but when she she has to clean the potty of another child, she might be uncomfortable. So this is about the we can we can bear all the things which have been done by our own members. So this was about the this concept. Clear? Next, think and discuss. Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? Because she was feeling uncomfortable to herself to clean the potty of that child. Clear? How do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. How do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? So we feel very uncomfortable. We feel very bad smell. Think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. So this is the earning problem for their family, because this may be a type of occupation for them. So that's why they are doing such type of job, because due to run their livelihoods, they have to do such type of job. Clear? Next, is a smell good or bad for everything in the same way, or does it depend on now each one feels about it? So is a smell good or bad? Yes, it may be in both manner. It may be good and it may be bad, but sometimes it depends on our liking or disliking. So the smells which are in the nature good, so we like, and the smells which are bad in the nature, so that we dislike. Suppose when we talk about the fragrance of perfume, deo, and fragrance of powder, and fragrance of the cosmetic cream, so these smells are very good. And when we talk about the bad smell, the smell of waste, the human waste, animal waste, and the garbage, the smell which is coming from these type of places, that is bad. Clear? Let's see. Write the name of a bird which has eyes in front of its heads like in humans. So earlier we have taken the example of owl in the worksheet. Next, write the names of some birds which have eyes on either side of the head. What is the size of their eyes as compared to the size of their head? So this is the question I'm giving to you. Please search the answer for this question and comment on my personal WhatsApp. Most of the birds have their eyes on their either side of the head, like pigeon. Their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. So when they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. So this is the special feature for them, and they can uh, keep an eye on both the sides, in front and as well as in the back side, and they are being informed about the danger by the strong sense of sight. Clear? You must have seen birds moving their neck very often. Do you know why? In most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move, so birds have to turn their heads to see around. So such type of features we can see in the birds like sparrow. So because at a time they cannot turn their head to see at the back side, they have to turn their neck. Clear? Looking with looking with one or both eyes, close your right eye or cover it with your hand. Tell your friend to stand to your right at some distance and ask him to do some action. Wave hand, shake head. Could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? Now try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open but without moving your neck. What was the difference on looking with one or both eyes? So we feel uncomfortable if we are looking the things with only one eye. So we are required to see the things by both eyes in proper manner, because the both eyes proper visualization of the things. Clear? Now toss a small ball or coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open. Then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? So it will be possible when we are opening our two eyes together. So if we are opening only one eye, so it may happen the coin may be lying there, maybe may fall on the ground. So this was the problem with the one eye due to the not proper contact of the coin. Clear? Imagine how it would be to have your eyes in place of your ears. What would you be able to do then which you cannot do? No. So if such type of arrangements have been made in our body, so the similar structure, this will look odd, and this is very odd situation. And in this case it may happen that we are getting the correct position of the eyes at the front side of the head, so it may not possible that it will be working on the side of the head. So that's why the some problems we may face in this regard. Some birds like kites, eagles, vultures can see 4 times as far as we can. These birds can see things from a distance of 8 meters that we can see from a distance of 2 meters. So this is about the good sense of eyesight. Now, can you guess from what distance can an eagle in the sky can see a roti on the ground? So it is too far, and the distance cannot be measured too much, and but it is good. So it is in the kilometer. Clear? It can be measured in the kilometer distance. Do animals see colors? Animals cannot see as many colors as we can. See how the things in these pictures will be seen by some animals. So these are the different plants and they are available in different colors. It is believed that animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors. Those animals that are awake at night can see things only black and white colors. So this is about the specific features of the animals. Those animals which are awaking in the daytime, they can see some colors. So some colors, it may be the primary colors like GRV. Those animals that are awake at night, so it means they are awaking at the night, so they can see only the dark and uh, white color. Clear? Sharp ear. In class 4th, you read that we cannot easily see birds' ears. Their ears are small holes covered with feathers like parrot, pigeon, and parrot. So, though they are having hairs, they are having the strong capacity of the hearing, but they are not having the outside ears which are being seen in the human beings and the elephants like mammals. So that's why the such type of features are not available in these birds. The names of 10 animals whose ears can be seen. So example we have taken in our worksheet. Check from there. The names of some animals whose ears are bigger than ours. The another question we have also taken like elephant, deer, cow, buffalo. These are the animals whose ears are bigger in the comparison of human being. Think. Is there some link between the size of animals' ears and their hearing? So it is a strong link. If they are having the bigger ear, it means they are helping to listen the sound properly. Clear? Try this. What is the activity? For this activity, find a quiet place in your school. Tell one of your friends to stand at a short distance and ask him to say something softly. The rest of you should listen carefully. Then all of you put your hands behind your ears as shown in the picture. Let the same child say something again as softly as before, in which case was the sound sharper. Ask your friends too. So why this is being done? To get the perfect grip of the sound to the ears. So we are they are making the focus on the sounds which is coming from particular side. So by twisting the ears in such a manner, so they are getting the proper sound. Put your hands over your ears and say something. Can you hear your own voice? Yes, this can be done. Many times we have seen regarding the singers, They do like that. Sit near a desk, tap the desk once with your hand, listen carefully. Now put your ear on the desk as shown in the picture. Tap on the desk once again with your hand, listen again. Was there any difference in the sound of the tap? So this is due to the vibration. The solid object can vibrate if we are applying the pressure or force at the particular end of the solid object at the particular side of the desk. So the vibration occurs, and due to the vibration, the molecules, they they are trying to move from there, and they will pass the sound to another end of the desk. Clear? This is how snakes here, they do not have external ears which you can see. They only feel the vibrations on the ground. So this is about the snake. They feel the vibrations on the ground of the danger. Sounds and messages. High up on the tree, langur warns others on, just like a tiger or leopard. The langur does this by making a special warning call. Birds also give alarm call. So this is about the information. Just read out to warn out the danger. Some birds even have different sounds for different kinds of dangers. For example, there is a different warning call if the enemy is coming from the sky or if the enemy is on the ground. So they can only understand the other animals about their languages. They can inform the another members of their family and another animals about the danger by making the different types of sounds. Clear? Fishes give alarm call by electric signals. Some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or a storm is about to come. People who live in forest and can observe such behavior of animals come to know of the danger. So this is about the forecasting about the danger, as fish produce electric signals, and this electric signal will give the information to another members of their families to be avoided themselves from the danger. Clear? Dolphins also make different sounds. Dolphin is a type of mammal to give messages to each other. Scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. So another example we have seen regarding dolphin. Clear? Can you understand the sounds of some animals? Yes, we can understand the sounds of some animals like peacock, cow, buffalo, dog, cat. So these are the animals. Do some animals understand your language? Which ones? Yes, dog can understand. Dog, the pet dog can develop the such type of sense that could be understand the particular language by the dog of their family members. Say it with sounds. Just like birds and dolphin, you can also make your own language of the sounds for giving messages. Remember, you have to talk to your friends with only sounds and no words. How and when will you need to give an alarm call? For example, when the teacher is coming to the classroom. So this can be done. Sleeping, walking, sleeping, waking. Some animals go into a long deep sleep in certain seasons. Then they are not seen for many months. Have you noticed that during the cold season you cannot see any lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone? So in the summer they have to come out from their hole. So that's why in the winter season the environmental condition is not suitable to their body. So that's why they live internal side of their hole. Clear? Now, one information given about the sloth. Sloth is a type of animal which is looking like a bear. What is the information? It looks like a bear, but is not. It is a sloth. It spends almost 70 hours in a day, sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree branch. The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It hardly needs anything else. When it has eaten from that tree, it moves to the nearby tree. So it has to no migrate from one place to another place, because on the same plant he gets the food, and when the complete food is over, so that's why he has to move to another plant. So this was about the sloth. Sloth live for about 40 years, and in that time they move around only 8 trees. Once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. So this is about the sloth, and you can learn the information about the sloth. Clear? If you were to show a sloth daily routine, sleeping and waking in 24 hours clock, this is what clock would you like. So in these 24 hours can be divided into 12 halves, so it means the one half consists 2 hours. So in different animals the sleeping and waking time is given. So let us see. You can consider the given here is the sleeping time of some animals. Right below each picture of how many hours a day that animal sleeps. So when we talk about the cow can sleep up to 4 hours because the two halves can be shedded at a time. So two half means 4 hours. So similar sleeping and waking hours of the another animals you can calculate, because one dark shaded is considered as a 2 hours. Clear? When you see animals, do you have any questions about them? Make a list of 10 such questions. So this question can be performed at your own level. Now the another important animal, tiger. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of us, because this is about the strong sense of sight. The tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense the movements of or vibration in the air due to their whiskers. They help in the tiger move in the dark and find its prey. A tiger sense of hearing is so sharp that it can make out the difference between the rustling of leaves and the sound of of an animal moving on the grass. The ears on the tiger can move in different directions, and this helps to catch the sound from all around. So this is about the tiger, that is very strong animal. Due to the strong sensation of their whiskers, they can feel the vibration of air and they can feel the danger which is coming from opposite side. Tigers make different sounds for different purpose, like when it is angry or to call out to a tigress. Tigress is a female tiger. It can also roar, or roar means strong large sound which is being produced through throat. Or snails, its roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. So this is the range. If a particular tiger roar, so the roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. Clear? Each tiger has its own area which may cover several kilometers. Tigers mark their area with their urine. A tiger can at once come to know if there is another tiger is in its area. By the smell of the urine, a tiger will avoid going into another tiger's area. So this is the complete information about the tiger. The tiger is one of the most alert animals, and yet today tigers are in danger because people are hunting the tigers, and the numbers of the tigers are being decreased regularly due to the hunting. What do you think are some of the dangers to tigers in the jungle? So this is about the can human beings also be a threat to the animals? Yes, because do you know that today many animals are killed and their parts are sold? Elephants are killed for their tusk, rhinoceros for its horn, tigers, crocodiles and snakes for their skins. Musk deer are killed just for make the little sand from its musk. People who kill animals are called hunters and poachers. So this question we have included in worksheet because people, those people who can kill the animals for their own benefits, for their bones, for their tusk, for their skins, and for their sands. So these people are known as hunters and poachers, and that's why this is the big threat to the animals. So government has made the strict law against them. So that's why the punishment is there. The numbers of tigers and many other animals in our country is reducing. There is a danger that some of them will soon disappear. To protect the animals, our government has made some forests as protected areas, and they are known as national parks. When the restriction is there and the hunting is not allowed, some of them are the Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand and Ghana in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. In these areas, nobody can hunt animals or destroy the jungle. So this is about the national parks of India. In these parks, the hunting is not allowed. Find out where are the other such national parks in India. This question we have done in the worksheet. You can from there collect information on these and write in a report. Clear? What we have learned, have you noticed that sometimes singers put their hand on their ear when they sings, because to get the to reduce the side noise. So that's why they twist their ears and keeping covering their eyes by placing the palm. So that's why the sound is coming the sound they are listening, which is clear. Give examples of animals that may have a very strong sense of sight, hearing, or smell. So this was about the tiger, dog, and cat. Clear? So this was about the super senses of chapter number 1. I hope you all have completely understood regarding the chapter. Earlier I have sent an explanation through YouTube. I hope you all are enjoying. Soon the next chapter explanation will be available. So keep on studying. Have a nice day.